Abusan said they are not there. Kevin Taylor and Ansa Sadali. Omo Ebeko jail. Every Mensa is calling on Ghana Police Service to take action on Ansan Sadali and Kevin Ekobedi Taylor. Obe trechiremu every for wonu mra wasua de onu Ghana mra. Enti obe koti laws and articles no constitution obe koti bi. A o gina so e de Ghana Police Service eh. Aje we ni ntino munyina ne emra we so na mo che Kevin Ekobedi Taylor any doctor Ansan Sadali no say dey we be na about taking to so dey obe fire no hard one. Aha you Penyah block media. Mess was any day. Over like video, no that room. Over subscribe button, click the notification icon for latest update. Now better the wife in the mama. Ever comment section as baswa. Not even more for so any be ashe. It's about the true political party anymore. Almost doctor, almost specialist. Aye, Ansan Sadali. I say you go makacha ye true political party TPP. You go makacha. Almost special doctor say. Or share or flag bearer and now be president. His Excellency Don Mahama. Aye, Dr. Ansan Sadali. The native doctor, Dr. USC, and I said Dr. NDC, Kevin Taylor, the family doctor. Maticulous one not only Kevin Taylor, the family doctor. I said, over a 9 or Kevin 9, I Dr. Lansonaya. Difference be any. I say, Omo, Shibumpa. I say, Omo Ekampa. This whole exposition. Free for any by any crummy who says, I get a crowd or you live the fake life, no, and hot air kitchen.
Stop it, mommy.
You stop it.
Stop it. Thank you, mommy.
Go put this down in the kitchen and come back. Go put it in the kitchen.
No.
Go put it in the kitchen now.
No, mommy.
Hurry up.
I want it.
Take it to the kitchen. Hurry up.
No, I want it. Chicken.
Kitchen, not chicken. Hurry up.
No, mommy.
You don't want kitchen? You need to take that to the kitchen first, baby. Hurry up.
Mommy?
Yes, you didn't take it. What did you do with it?
No.
Can mommy do this one in peace, please?
No.
I just...
Give me a fries.
Fries? Okay, I should give you fries and what? Go ahead. I'm taking the order.
Give me my Sonic toy.
You want a toy too? You want a Sonic toy in a kid's meal, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you want?
I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, you want pizza and what? I'm taking your order. Hurry up, honey.
Give me my car toy.
You want a toy car?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
Give me a Pacho Cianos. Yes, mommy. I want to tell you.
Emma say videos upon videos and in your export girl as again ko we want to down editing any or share those buttons and hip pad and then to the editing and my proving natural with video and other things. Now every and I say oh yeah the mastermind, the brain behind all these expose. Wajibe bia aboso. Eti o make that expose na ade chin ye. Anyway, police say John Mahama just appointed fake Dr. Ansan Sadali as a board member of NHIA. Scammers are buying. Emuala Ehu said, okay, say a true say Mahama Emma appointed Emma Mahama ebe revoke appointment, and that Anna Afrifa Esa etwa so. Our checks show that a certain big man was blackmailed with XXX into appointing her. You get it? Every person will say, oh, Omu Intel, actually, say, dear ma, Ansan Sadali Krabenya appointment for Mahama. Or yes, and Kobe blackmail some big men be some big wig be in NDC party, and then a moment so a man appointment by force. Everybody will be back Ansan Sadali. There's an all try set or Ben Pessinetino and Bakoni and Sovereign Dali. I say, I'm Sovereign Dali. I say, oh, USA or no need, and I don't know what that health institution Ansan Sadali could now put a picture. Dali medical then and then go now put a picture. When I end but I say, says. It's Afrifa that edit that exposition no. Esa buy it. And of course, I'll edit video buy a video no. Not a meal who says, answer the question. Only as often class I will be a
Scammer. Also Bampa was my friend, but Some questions no I mean in kasa bi. The prophet maybe no what say me boni. I don't know any prophet beside these and now can Nigel there's a meaning deep prophetism meaning yet sorry only as I know or start a TV station so I should invest and I'm saying interested. That was it. That's the only relationship I had with Nigel. It had to do with wait. So what prophet are you talking about? Now prophet Penyah.
Oh, that's the first time clue is be I say obo ospem pedini e report him nyina wo mu bi Eric Uche mu ewo mu je say asofo ku de Ghana as is omu no oh Paul do na dey answer na omu edimu ntintima na say Afrifa air12 everybody just 1 man down 1 more to go. That was time when Mahama Erivoki answered an appointment as NHIS board member now or Erivoki that particular post. I first had to say marriage revocation is next, followed by deportation. There were a straight bullet to Kevin Taylor. SNA and was as well Kevin Taylor answers the daily editing now. Or be making sure say Kevin Taylor wife now or ten with basement US or be making it down. That's was straight deportation because or reporting issue to FBI in USA. Kevin Taylor say because in the doctor any only USA doctor be who will defend there. It will evidence crowd one. Now that question court. And everybody can that assembly. And I just said, now guess who is going to jail? Homeland Security will knock on someone's door soon. Siabanku. That's it. I was American Homeland Security. I just say okay. I was came to the car say everybody will go to jail. They was okay. And then you know why they go jail. Homeland Security will knock at your door very soon. Ogo so you know, the name underground I say. There's everybody say the honor AJ airwaves no aboso. Enti anywhere anyone upano. Anna Kevin Taylor make post on Twitter. And I good morning. They wish I am not. They even wish I am dead. There's a way I can be any other day. But me papa catch them. Oh me who ye? She near me like she near me. She near me. Me who ye? Muana that particular post no be key no. Afrifa a reply. And Afrifa actually say they pretend as if they are okay, knowing very well that they are not okay. Kevin and say on your fine, on your fit. They of course only three no. Name was totally. But I was never catching the friends and say, oh yeah, okay, say yeah, you remember say yeah. Who knows Kevin Taylor Ekasa? And they said they were as we go from. Then that who say yeah. Dobe can be a nyansa. Emma the gullible followers. The gullible followers. Dobe can be a nyansa. I umuni adwene bia. Kevin Taylor won't go for umunyansa if they. I let's say enwano. Enti enwe ya. Ana Afrifa eba. The fake page no. I know what I said. Now that your fake daughter girlfriend has been tossed like a used tissue, it's your turn. I'm a Taylor. The throw in the white woman's basement. I say okay. On the answers that I starting was been now with Kevin Taylor against Afrifa. Afrifa man won and say, say me ka say me ba so me no nwie no. Na ma drag you to Aminem. I said na so an take asa. If Afrifa to say now. Na no wait me Eddie and Asemama no. The next on the list, Kevin Taylor, or Boss Life and Colored. You barked like the loudest when truth whispered. You called it activism, but it was last, plain, and simple. You weren't defending integrity, you were defending your libido and broken pride. Just as Anna said, Kevin Taylor is struggling every now and then to defend Anna Sandeli. Upon the situation said, and I can say, University of Johns Hopkins. A trap position ya was reply say that be omu ni mo biasa obia ma ho no msada obia no pass through mo education system or di we no still Kevin Taylor kremu say girl no ye doctor e wo US just minim adrian any dey ope and I say now you are quiet disgraced hiding behind Facebook rants and X tantrums a clown with Wi-Fi crying in exile ever guys okay oh yes I would dey nyina na me exposing nyina wie ye no afi dey won't me kasa Oba no anka assembly yenim Kevin ka oba be kasa be kwan wo ho but yes suppose we no oba ye chama wuntumi ya to na sem na woka bra be ka answer there asem bra Mr. Fat fat no bra ana ye fat and oil ana fat Kevin speak with fat in no busiana e fat and oil enye fact e fat and oil Matthias the first word bra discuss bra is your answer there na wow basement girl what I say on and that's my wow country. Become. Let's cut the nonsense. You are not an activist. You don't fight for Ghanaians. You fight for your emotions, your ego, and the fake credibility you built off a lying lover. Kevin Taylor on Ghana. David McCarthy said Kevin Taylor was once an MPP guy. He was a disappointed MPP guy. Kevin Taylor was in MPP, and by then he was bashing at NDC the most, as he's doing now. I don't know. Just now he's in his mind, he's inflicting, and in the mind of NDC, Kevin Taylor is inflicting pain in MPP. Why more than this? He was an MPP guy and he was doing this same attitude. He was showing this same attitude to Mahama. Or the Mahama Temdebia. And now, person to me control MPP. No, said they now on a training part, on a control NDC. Because yeah, we back 3 days ago said US Ghana embassy or USA corruption, fraud, corruption scandal be air console and said foreign minister and our minister of foreign affairs Omanye Bibia or Beba Omoso or can't ask them in less than 24 hours. Anna or Kuta Black only also name the office you won't name the warrior, won't name the warrior or shutting it down. I know how a man order say, oh yeah, why do you shut a whole a whole Ghana embassy in US? Why do you shut it down? My man orders, oh yes, Kevin Taylor is dictating for NDC leaders how to live or how to run the economy, how to hey. Minimum secret I'm only going to one control. I minimum asem minimum. Ebi amu so mo antie na asem na se. Oga se oda the chair mo dey come for ebi anuntia. What I say? Ebi anuntia. The NDC dropped her. The nation laughed, and you are still in that basement, looking lost, sounding bitter, and spiraling. What I say? Oh yes, oh, I was a girl now. Yeah, this year, you over in a day. Over in a day. We are sitting in any idea, you're going into two. Why? But no go say, which a basement, another oh, night, you can't in some. We don't crack, we don't break, we don't take letters from trolls living rent-free overseas. You bad. Now take your beating. This isn't politics. This is a street justice. Get ready to tango. Taylor, the real fight just started. That I say, hit me up by Tupac on. Eeii 50yrs eba answers that is so. And what I say? Under Ghanaian laws, defrauding by false pretense and impersonation are still punishable crimes. CID boss, please take action. Hashtag Dr. Ann Samsadali. And now there, Afrifa is calling for arrest of, Dr. Ann Samsadali, the fake doctor, the native doctor. What I say? Dr. USC, Kevin Taylor, the personal doctor, John Mahama, personal physician. Where is John Mahama, the personal physician? John Mahama, personal doctor, is on a heading kakra. Is that seriously? I want to heading kakra. Afrifa is calling for arrest. I don't know what Kevin Taylor because they're going to Kevin Taylor. And I know Penyah Block Media. I'm watching for the records. Afrifa ever live. You got it over here on Penyah Block Media Studios. Any minute, I'm watching 8:30 p.m. sharp. Afrifa ever live. Don't miss it. 8:30 p.m. sharp. But I hear 8:30 p.m. I'm watching Saturday. But I hear for the records. Afrifa ever live. More expose is on the way to come. I hear Penyah Block Media.